This is the practice test for fractions, and here we're working on problem number 9. The problem says write the improper fraction as a mixed number. Now the improper fraction is 54 over 7, and it's an improper fraction because the top number is larger than the bottom. And you are allowed to use your calculator on the test. If you entered in 54, hit the fraction key, and then 7, you entered this in as a fraction, and then you hit the equal key, it would automatically change it to a mixed number, and the mixed number would be 7 5/7. I've done it here by hand. A fraction is always the top number divided by the bottom, so this is 54 divided by 7, and 7 fits into 54 7 times. And then I would multiply the 7 times 7 to give me the 49 here. I subtract the 49, and then I have a remainder of 5, and I always take that remainder and put it over the divisor, the number here, the 7. So the 5 over the 7, the answer is 7 5/7.